welcome to Foodie's Crazy Code. Before getting into the preparation, let me remind you to subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed and click on button. See, today we are going to do Bisibele Bhat. For that I've taken 1 cup of rice, and with this I'm going to add 1 cup of Toor Dal. See friends, now I'm going to wash this and take it. I kept a pressure cooker. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, just 1 tablespoon of oil, and in this I'm going to add the vegetables. Chopped potatoes, beans and carrot. Okay, I have washed and cut it into small pieces and kept it ready. Cooked, added, and I'm just going to saute these vegetables for just for 1 minute. See, just saute it for a minute, okay? And with this we'll add the rice. Rice and vegetables. Sauteed the veggies well. See, I'm going to add the rice and the added. Now I'm just going to give a mix. So I'm going to add 5 cups of water. If it is too thick after. So now I added 5 glasses of water. Pinch of turmeric powder. For crunchy taste, I'm going to add some peanuts. Okay. The rock salt only, so I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon. If we require at the end, we can add it little more. Okay. And just I'm going to add some 2-3 tablespoons of mustard seeds. I'm going to add some red chillis and the curry leaves. Some onions, one onion and 1 capsicum. Now see this sorted 1 Bisibele Bhat masala. I'm going to add this. Okay, just many Bisi Bele Bhat masala, but this MTR masala is the best masala, I will tell you. So I'm going to see it's off. And after adding immediately, add the okay. Just give a mix. Ready. We'll off the flame and we'll add it to the rice now. Cooked. It's cooked well. It's in a smashy consistency. Okay. Now it's ready. Now even the tempering is ready. Now we'll add the tempering to this now. Okay. Just a little water and keep it in a lower flame and cook this, because see friends, it's boiling. Now in this stage I'm adding little Jaggery. Mix.